Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create a seller account on Temu. So it is actually very easy and simple to do it. First, we have to log in on Temu with your account on your browser. And there you can see we don't have any option that says that become a seller or sell. So for that, we have to open another website, which name is Pinduoduo. You can just simply open it on any other browser or any other tab, and once you search for it you will get its website. You can just simply click onto it. Then the website will be in Chinese. You can just simply translate it into English, and there you will just have to simply log in with your account, and after that you will be able to sell it on Temu. So there you have to click on this merchandise or merchant option, and after that you just have to simply create account with the help of your contact number, and once you create it you will be able to sell on Temu. So here we have another website that tells us that how you can sell it on Temu through this platform. So you can see it says that how to sell on Temu, then it will show you different sort of information that actually answers your question and provides information like how you can register it on Temu and how you can sign up and what sort of categories you will come under to sell on Temu, what will be the process. These options are available there. You can just simply check out all that information, and then you will understand that how you can become a seller and how you can sell products or services on Temu. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.